Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. So I wanted to put this video up to show moms how to make smoothies for a toddler that is picky. So the first thing I do is cut up some strawberries because he likes strawberries. That's just to make it sweet. Most of the time toddlers or infants that do not like anything but chicken nuggets, which is my grandson, they like sweet items. So I start my smoothie with strawberries. I use my NutriBullet. It never has failed me. I add my strawberries to my NutriBullet cup. So I put the strawberries in first. I make sure I cut them up in chunks so it'll be easy to blend. Even though my NutriBullet is very, very strong, I still cut them up in little chunks. I add the vanilla yogurt. This is not sweet at all. So if you don't like anything sweet, add more to yogurt, but it needs to be sweet. This mango nectar, I picked this up from Costco. It's very, very potent. So be careful with that. I added to my yogurt. Now this I picked up from Costco's too. And it has kale, spinach, mango, peach, avocado in it. It's my first time trying it. And I was pleasantly surprised that it came with individual packets. I thought I was opening up a bag of fruit, but it came with individual packets, which is great, which was enough for me and my grandson. You can see the green stuff is the kale, the avocado, the peaches. And then you see Puka, he ran. He do not like loud noises. And then this is how it turned out. And I'm just pouring my glass. And it turned out great. He loved it also. He loves smoothies. He loves when I make smoothies. So that's a way for you to get your nutrition in to your toddlers or your infants that do not like any other food other than chicken nuggets.